Hi, in this video I will show you how to post Instagram Reels from the PC. So you will not see any option to upload Reels from your PC. To do this, simply you have to install one extension. So first of all, open your Chrome Web Store and search for the insist for the Instagram. Once you will search for it, you will see this type of the uh, application. You have to remember this icon, you have to add it from here. Once you will add it, you will see extension here. Simply tap on it and you will see this type of the interface. Now you have to uh, open the Instagram from your web browser. Instagram login. Once you will search for it, you will see interface is here. Simply log in to your account and you will see interface like mobile. And now after the login, you can simply upload the reel like you did on the phone. So in this way you can upload reels from your PC. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.